Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to block the game Blast Adventure Master, whether you're trying to stay focused, set restrictions for kids, or just take a break from gaming. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the steps, you might be wondering, why block Blast Adventure Master? Well, maybe it's distracting you from work or studies, or you're setting up parental controls to limit screen time. Whatever the reason, this guide is super simple. Let's start with blocking the game on your smartphone. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Go to your phone settings and find the Apps or Applications menu. Step 2. Scroll down and select Blast Adventure Master. Step 3. Tap on App Info, then select Disable or Uninstall. Step 4. If you want to limit access without uninstalling, use the App Timer feature on Android or Screen Time on iOS to restrict usage. And that's it. Now the game will either be disabled or restricted based on your settings. That's all for today's tutorial on how to block Blast Adventure Master. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.